Hello everyone, welcome to SM Automobile. Today we have come to Rahul Electric Vehicles, Kottapet, Hyderabad. You can please pause the video and check the complete address of the showroom. All Pure EV vehicles are available at this showroom. The people who are interested in purchasing this electric scooter can please contact the showroom. Even finance facility is also available here. Today we are going to review the e-Trans Neo electric scooter. It is a high-speed electric scooter. We have already reviewed the e-Trans Plus, which is a low-speed model. The link is available in the description below. It consists of 10-inch tubeless tires with disc brake and telescopic suspension in the front. And this is the front floorboard area so that you can hold some luggage. This is the e-Trans Neo badging on the side. It consists of 2.5 kilowatt hub motor which is waterproof, and these are the heavy duty dual shock absorbers at the rear. This is the pillion footrest. It consists of side guards, and this vehicle requires license and registration as it is a high speed scooter. And this is the side footrest. This is the 60-volt lithium ion battery. It has a warranty of 3 years. The scooter design is the same as the e-Trans Plus. Now let's install the lithium ion battery. This is the place. This battery weighs approximately 12 to 14 kgs, and you have very little storage place after placing the battery. Switch on the MCB switch. The people who are staying in the apartment can also easily charge their scooter as it is a removable lithium ion battery. And you also can charge the battery without removing by the external charging point. This is the parking switch and the 3 driving modes. And this one is the horn and the headlight switch. You consist of horn on both the sides, and these are the indicator and the high beam low beam switch. Now let's check the digital display. As you can see, we are in the parking mode, so it is displaying P. This is the luggage hook and the front storage place. And you can open the seat from front itself. It consists of remote keys for the anti-theft alarm system. You can see the P indicates the parking mode. It displays the kilometer and the battery status. The battery status is in percentage reading. Now after switching the P button, you can see the speedometer. It is a safety feature so that the children cannot accelerate when the vehicle is in standby. You can also see the different driving modes on the display screen 1, 2 and 3. This scooter has as you can see, we cannot accelerate when it is in P mode, and after switching from P we can easily accelerate. It is a good safety feature, and this scooter has a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and the range is 90 to 120 kilometers in a single charge. These are the LED DRLs. And this is the LED headlight which consumes less power and provides more visibility. The cost of this scooter is 80,000 rupees, and there are additional registration charges. The LED DRL design is good. Now let's check the indicators also. This is the rear view, and the indicators used are also LED. The DRL provides good visibility while driving in the fog. These are the front indicators. Now let's start with the test drive. We are in the P mode and you can see we cannot accelerate. After switching from P, now we are in the first driving mode, and let's check the speed, how much we can go. The pickup is good. The scooter has a loading capacity of 180 kgs, and now we are traveling with 110 kgs approx. And in first mode we can go up to a speed of 36 kmph. The visibility of the display is also good. Now we are approaching a flyover and we have switched to the second mode. There is good surge of power and the speed is also increasing linearly. And we have achieved a speed of 46, and now we have switched to the third mode, and let's check the top speed in the third mode. We have achieved the top speed, that is 60 kilometers per hour, and now as we are descending the flyover, the speed is going to 62, 63. Now let's check on the flat surface of the road also. We are able to get a speed of 58 to 59 on the flat surface of the road also without any problem. Even test drive facility is also available at this showroom. The braking of the scooter is also improved, as there is now disc brake in the front, which provides effortless braking, and the seat is the same, so an adult person and a kid can sit comfortably. When two adult persons travel on it, it is a bit tight. If the length of the seat would have improved, it would be good. The suspension is also good, and as the scooter is aerodynamic, it is easy to travel on the highways as well. And the scooter is slim, so we can easily travel in the city in the narrow spaces. Thanks for watching the complete video, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe.